Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Welcome back to another video. This is Norma with Mommy's DIYs, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate a different champagne glass, and we're going to be doing this, and this is how it's going to look. So pretty much you're going to put your tape around this way, and I'm going to show you how, and we're going to go ahead and glitter or use acrylic paint to paint this, whatever is your favorite. What I'm going to be doing today is a black and a white that you can use an alternation for weddings. I'm going to make black for the men and white for the women. And in addition to that, later on, I'm going to make another ones for Christmas for my family. And each one of them is, I'm not sure if I want to put Merry Christmas or put their name to each one of them. Why don't you write on the comments what do you think is best? Just put Merry Christmas 2020, or you just go ahead and put their name, okay? And because my Christmas tree and my decorations are very bright and very New Orleans, I'm going to be doing one in pink, one in purple. I'm also going to do a white one. I'm going to do this kind of green. I'm going to do blue. I'm going to do gold and other bright colors that I'm going to go purchase. But for now, we're going to do a black and a white. And so we're going to be needing tapers, painter's tape, regular tape, the thick one from Dollar Tree, to help us with the aid of taking off the tape when we're ready. And this one here, we have used that before. With coats of the glitter, and the last coat, a heavy coat of this on top. But let's go ahead and start by showing you how are we going to put our tape. So basically, you're going to get a big piece of tape, and you're going to decide how thick you want this design. Okay, I want it almost like a leaf kind of design, and then it's going to go down to here. So I want to get a big piece of the tape, maybe about 12 to 14 inches, just to be safe. And you are going to start with the bottom part. You're going to kind of lean your tape over here. So first cut it in the middle, fold it on the side that is not sticky, otherwise it's going to stick with each other, and kind of go in the middle, okay? And that's the part that you're going to put in the bottom. Anywhere in the bottom, you're going to put it like, if you can see your glass, like right here, just right there, okay? That's where you're going to lean it. So go to the middle part and lean your tape, just like that, and tape it. And then you're going to bring these around this way, all the way. You're going to bring these all the way up, right there, and fold it. This part is easy because you pretty much don't need to do anything. Just make sure that this side where the glitter and the glue is going to go is completely like sticking to the glass. And then this is the other part where you need to decide where is it that you want it, okay? So right here, you're going to go to the other side and kind of go around and put it right there where you want it. See, it needs to, the edge of this needs to hit right there, okay? And just fold it in, and make sure again that the side where we're going to spray the glue, it's completely stick to the glass. So there it is. It's that easy, okay? Now what we're going to do, because we're not going to put any we're not going to put anything on this side, we're going to put, I usually use 2 pieces of tape, and ever since I did my nails, it's like I struggle with tape. I struggle with a lot of things, but I'm making it work. So if you like the content of my videos, I would really appreciate it if you can give me thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and on the comments write down what is it that you, what is your niche, what is it that you concentrate on, or if you just do this for your family. Okay, so I already put one tape on this side, and we're going to put the other tape on the other side. Here we are back. So our glasses are already done. We just need to clean them, make sure that we take the grease from our fingertips so that the glue stays, the glue and the glitter stays better. So there's one, and there's another one. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the white one. And I already show in other videos like how you spray, just spray slightly, like right over it, and do half of it or quarter of it, because this thing dries really quick. It dries between 5 and 6 minutes, is ready for the second coat. So I'm just kind of gonna go quick strokes, just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the white over it. So now if you look, there were areas where you didn't get, so I'm only going to be touching those areas for now. Those are part of the first time. So I'm just going to go right over those parts and add more, and this is going to be the first time. So there it is. Here's another spot right there. I'm only going to go over that spot and put more. So there's the white one, the first one. And now let's go ahead and work with the black one. So here it is, the black one. So this one I'm going to try to do is lower so that I hit every single area. So we're just going to cover this part. And we're going to go ahead and put some glitter. And shake it off. So there's right there. And I'm going to just, baby, I'm going to do like a little spots at a time. Okay, so let's go ahead and so here it is, here is the next one. There you go. So go ahead and continue with the second one. If for any reason it doesn't have as much as, it doesn't have enough, you can easily go in an extra coat or not. It's really up to you. So I'm going to do just this part right here first. And I'm going to pour the glitter. And I'm going to shake it. Shake it, shake it. Look at how pretty it's looking. Right there. Look at how pretty. I did 2 coats on this area. I think this one looks pretty good. Look at that. Okay, so that's that one. 2 coats was enough. So I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to do a full coating of the acrylic coating, and that should be ready. But let's go ahead and first put this back where it belongs. And now let's do another coating on the black. So here it is. need to put something a little heavy so it doesn't move too much. That's a problem from being outside. So I'm gonna do this part on the top. Let's go ahead and pour the glitter. So there it is, 2 coats. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna use this paper so I don't spray it on the table. So I'm just gonna go over and give it a thick layer slowly of the clear acrylic. So now the black one, the same thing. So we're gonna wait about 5-6 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the tape off. It's been about 10 minutes, so I believe that this is ready to be taken off. So we're just gonna go slowly. I'm using these to help me. We're gonna slowly go ahead and take the tape off. Especially you need to be very, very careful when you pull out the blue one. That's where you really need to be more careful than this clear one, okay? So let's go ahead and do that together and see how it comes out. Okay, welcome back. Here it is. This is how it looks. Look at how pretty it looks. Go ahead and put on the comments below. What do you think is best to put Merry Christmas 2020 or the names of each one of my guests? Okay, so here's one, and this one I need to fix a little bit. When I brought it from the outside, I kind of touched right in the middle, but I just need to touch it up. But look at how pretty, beautiful it looks, and how well the glitter stays with the acrylic spray, clear spray. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and stay safe until next time.